This is Hotel Maya, a beautiful waterfront hotel in Long Beach, California. This hotel is beautiful from the time you open the door, and look at this beautiful bathroom. I just love it. It was comfy, it was cozy. I just love the mirror. I love the sink. And get into that floor pattern, okay? Yes, I had to check my own self out. And might I add, the rooms are newly renovated. This bathroom was clean and inviting, and get into that shower, okay? I love the lovely art on the walls. The room was fully stocked with towels, okay? I just love a good shower, okay? So let's get into it right now. The shower just looks so inviting. You see that wood grain on the walls. You have your sliding glass door. And of course, my favorite part, you have a seat in the shower. And of course, your shampoos and your conditioner and your face scrub. I love it, okay? And the best part ever is that shower head, okay? You have the dual shower head, okay? And 2 people can fit in that shower, okay? I love it. These are all the things I look for when I stay at a hotel. I just love me a good shower, okay? And of course, that hot water. And next you have your snack bar and refreshment area, okay? The ambiance in this room is unmatched, okay? Very comfortable decor, okay? You have that king size bed. You get your alarm clock and charging port station on the nightstand. And of course, you have that comfortable king size bed that is so plush, okay? This room is the perfect room to escape to when you need a mental reset. The room is spacious, the perfect room to vibe and relax, okay? This room has all the qualities that you look for when you are going on vacation. You have this cozy area right here where you can eat, you can read, and have that conversation. This room has that waterfront balcony. You get this comfortable love seat sofa, okay? This room is very functional. So let's get back to that water view of the ocean balcony, okay? I love this space here. I definitely spent a lot of time on this balcony, just in awe of the beautiful scenery. Of course, I love the ocean. And as you can see, if you look closely, you can see that sandy area that is definitely family oriented down below. So all in all, you can function in every inch of this room. No matter what you want to do, is definitely the space for you. And Hotel Maya is just a 15-minute walk away from the Queen Mary and the Aquarium of the Pacific in Long Beach, okay? So that is a plus. Make sure you guys click the link on this video. You can book this room from this video. Purchase it now.